Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Right, we're going to replace the cabin filter. We're going to open the glove box. Right here, we're going to release this by pushing down, just like that. And we're going to grab the glove box and push in these ears, and then you can flip it down. Underneath here, there's two release tabs on the side of this. And we pull this out. See, there's two locks. You just push them in. And then we can pull the air filter out of this housing. This is our old air filter. This is our new air filter, cabin filter from 1aauto.com. As you can see, these are extremely dirty and it's due for replacement. You're going to want to keep in mind to have the arrow, have the flow of air go in that direction. So we'll take the new filter, put it down like that. And we can reinstall this. Click it in place. Then take the glove box, slide it up, and slide that back on there. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.